Welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is an easy, voluminous, half up, half down hairstyle. To create soft waves, I curled my hair with a 1-inch wand and pulled each section as it cooled. Then adding a little bit of oil just to help the hair glide as I section. First, gather the hair above your ears, and I only gather the top layer. This leaves more hair down. Once smoothed, grab your ponytail with your right hand and twist one full turn to the right. Hold it in place with your left hand and give it a slight push up to create volume. Now secure the twisted section on both sides with bobby pins, and then just pinch and pull the hair around your crown to add dimension. Next, section off the top half of your ponytail and bring it upwards, and pinch the sides together so you can secure them above your previous bobby pins. Add some volume powder and gently tease the base to help it stay in place, and then smooth over the top. And of course, you can dress it up with your favorite hair clips. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Thank you for watching.